Want to fix mobile data on your iPhone and get back online? Try these 5 quick solutions. First, toggle cellular data off and on. Open Settings, go to Cellular, switch cellular data off, wait a few seconds, then switch it back on to reset the connection. Next, reboot your iPhone. Hold down the side button and either volume button until the power slider appears. Slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, then press the side button to turn it back on. This clears network glitches. Then, adjust your cellular data settings. In Settings, tap Cellular, then tap Cellular Data Options. Under Voice and Data, select LTE or 5G if available. In Data Mode, make sure Low Data Mode is disabled. After that, reset your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. You'll need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords, but this often restores your mobile plan. Finally, update to the latest iOS. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update and install any available update. Carrier updates often arrive alongside new iOS versions. That's it. 5 proven fixes to get your iPhone's mobile data working again. If this helped you, please tap like, share your best iPhone fix in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.